Hello students, class 10th CBSE's ncert science question and answer session. Any subscriber can participate. You can ask your questions. We can discuss several topics. Today we are dealing with the sample paper 2026 exam. Class 10 students can participate, ask for questions and clarify your doubt if any you have. Based on your support, we will continue this live session. Today is the first day. Any class 10th students, CBSE students, you can ask your doubt or you can show your questions. We can try to solve it. Many students are there. Any student is there? See this here sample question paper that coming year 2026. First question. Select the group in which all organisms have the same mode of nutrition. Is there anybody to answer it? Question number 1. We are dealing with the sample paper, sample question paper, class 10th. The students, they are going to appear for next year, can participate. See, first question is select the group in which all organisms have the same mode of nutrition. Option A, cuscuta, yeast, legumes, leeches and tapeworm. B, cactus, ticks, lice, leeches and cow. C, cuscuta, ticks, lice, leeches and tapeworm. D, cactus, grass, lice, lion and tapeworm. What will be the answer? I see some participants. ncert class 10th science sample question paper we are dealing with. Students can participate, clarify your doubt, ask questions. I am reading question number 1. Question number 1. Select the group in which all organisms have the same mode of nutrition. Is there anyone to answer? What will be the answer? Number 2, which of the following options indicate the product formed after breakdown of the glucose in our muscle cells when there is lack of oxygen? See, there is a breakdown of in three different forms there the breakdown of glucose takes place. One is where there is uh, sufficient amount of oxygen is there, the glucose get breaks down, and another condition where there is a insufficient amount of oxygen, and the third one is there is no oxygen is involved. So based on that, anaerobic respiration, aerobic respiration. So based on that, question has come. Which of the following option indicates the product formed after breakdown of the glucose in our muscle cells when there is lack of oxygen? See, the question is very specific. Question is very specific. The breakdown occurs in muscle cells, and it is more specific that the condition is lack of oxygen. There is no sufficient amount of oxygen. Usually, exercise must be done in a open area where there is plenty of oxygen. But if you do exercise in a closed room or in a insufficient conditions, your muscle cell will break the glucose and make it some product. Because of that product, your muscle get cramp, and it will give you pain. Do you remember that? Is there anyone to answer question number 1 and question number 2? Any student can participate. In your book, it is there in a chart form. Second question. Class 10 student can participate. We are dealing with sample question paper science. Today is the first class. If you support, we will continue this live session free of cost. Is there any student? As a high bowls. Yeah, welcome, Bowles. Try, can you answer this question? Question number 1 and question number 2. Select the group in which all organisms have the same mode of nutrition. Cuscuta, yeast, legume, leech, tapeworm. Option B, cactus, ticks, lice, leeches, and cow. Very good. Bowles is replying. Question number 1, option A is the right answer. You are selecting. Yeah, we will discuss it. See, Cuscuta, it is a what? It is a parasite. Okay. Same mode of nutrition. Yeast. Yeah. Leeches, tapeworm. Is there any relation with that? Review your answer, bold. Cuscuta is a parasite, tapeworm is a parasite, leech is a parasite. What about yeast and legumes? Bold, review your answer. Correct it. Are you sure it is A? Yes, bolts. Boats. I hope I am pronouncing it correct. Boats. Is there any class 10 students? More students, come on. We are discussing class 10 sample question paper 2026. Today is our first live session. Based on your support, I will continue this session weekly, twice or thrice. We can plan according to your wish. Boards. Boards is there? Boards, are you there? Which of the following option in the question answer? Yes, 2 you got. You are saying C is the answer. Boards. Lactic acid, carbon monoxide plus energy. Correct it. Both are wrong. First A is also wrong. 2C is also wrong. You have time. Correct it. Think of it. Carbon monoxide cannot be produced in our muscle cell. Want to correct it? Boards. See, question number 1, select the group in which all organisms have the same mode of nutrition. Cuscuta is a parasite, yeast is not a parasite. Legumes. Legumes is your pulses, not any organism. Leech is organism, and it feeds on animal, it sucks blood. Tapeworm that lives in our intestine. So A is not a answer. Cuscuta is a parasite. Ticks. No, 1D is again wrong. One C is the correct answer. 1C is the correct answer. For question number 1, C is the correct answer. Cuscuta is a parasite. Ticks is a parasite. Lice is a parasite. Leech is a parasite. Tapeworm is a parasite. So same mode of nutrition. Group C they are having. What about 2? Question number 2. Think of it. Question number 2. For question number 1, C is the correct answer. Boards, are you there? Yes, boards. Any class 10th CBSE students? Today we are discussing sample question paper 2026. Today is our first class. If you support, we will continue it. Otherwise, I will leave it. If you support, weekly twice or thrice classes we can conduct. It is all free of cost. Okay, boards is from my school. You are written short form, so I can understand. Okay, very good. I don't know your full name. It's okay. Try to answer the questions. Include your friends next session. In next class, include your friend also, boards. Give your comments, give your feedback. What are the topics you want to discuss? We will do it. Let me know. Okay, question number 2. Which of the following option indicate the product formed after breakdown of the glucose in our muscle cell when there is lack of oxygen? In lack of oxygen, the muscle cells start producing lactic acid and gives energy. Now question number 2. For that, answer is B, lactic acid and energy. Okay, we will continue the other questions next live session. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and keep more CBSE ncert class 10th students participate, and togetherly we can discuss uh, some topics, and we can also solve the sample question paper 2026. Okay, take care, bye, good night.